Aloha and welcome to Maya's Table. Today we're making a very simple chicken salad that goes well on crusty bread or just as a side or on top of a nice bed of mixed greens. So we're going to start with one chicken breast that's been chopped up. I like to use Costco chicken breast because we always tend to eat the outside, the drums and the wings and the thighs. One chicken breast that's been cooked, either roasted or cooked. And then I have half an apple, a nice crisp apple that I soaked in a little bit of water, about a cup of water with a squeeze of lemon, about a fourth of a lemon squeezed and drained really well. So I'm going to add that in. And then we're going to do the mayonnaise. This is 1/2 to 3/4 cup of mayo. And I like mine on the moist and juicy side. So this is 3 cups of mayo here. And then after that, I have 2 stalks of celery that I cut in half and then cut again and then minced it. That adds a nice crunch to this salad. After that, I have a 1/4 cup of minced purple onions. It's a sweet onion, which I like, and it's also purple, which happens to be my favorite color. I'm gonna add that in there. And then a teaspoon of curry. It just adds a little bit of a, kind of a fancy taste. Like if you're gonna go to a ritzy hotel restaurant, you'd find that in your chicken salad. 1/4 cup each of craisins and raisins. I didn't chop them, I'm just gonna add them in whole. And then I like to salt and pepper this, and you can use any kind of salt that you like. I usually use Himalayan salt, but today I'm gonna use garlic salt because it just gives a little bit more of a nice tang to it. And some fresh cracked pepper. And then we're gonna mix it all up. And you wanna make sure that all of the onion is separated. You don't want a big mouthful of onion, right? So you're just gonna mix it very well and pay attention to the onion so that you don't have the big clumps. Because onion is very nice when it's in a small amount. It can be overpowering if you get a big clump of it. So I'm gonna mix it just a little bit more. And you know what? This is still looking a little bit dry. So go by the size of your chicken breast. If it's a large chicken breast, you might need a full cup of mayonnaise. But then again, you might like it on the drier side. So this looks very well mixed together. Now I'm gonna taste it. Here we go. I want to make sure I get a little bite of everything. The onion, the celery, the raisins, the craisins. My mouth is watering. It's so good. It's such a nice mix of, you have the little bit of tart from the apple, the sweetness from the craisins and the raisins, and then you have the crunch from the celery and a little bit of the onion. Really delicious. Like I said, you can plate it up on a bed of lettuce. You can also serve it with a side of maybe the other half of the apple. And then I would serve it also with some nice crusty bread. I hope you've enjoyed this. And the message in this recipe is, you know, chicken is a blank slate, right? You can do a million different things. You can create a million different recipes with chicken. And it's just like us. We all start off with the basic fundamentals, right? And we can create whoever we want to be. So I'm going to ask you, who are you being? Who are you creating yourself to be? And I want to encourage you, just like I strive every day to be the best that I can be, I hope that you will do the same. If you've enjoyed this, please subscribe to my channel, share it with a friend, and most of all, try it and let me know how it came out for you. Okay, till next time, take care now. Aloha.